Nowadays it's often used to make car wax and varnish for musical instruments, yet for many thousands of years it was used to soothe and treat wounds, and it's possibly still safer and more effective than most man-made medicines. Hi, I'm Kenny Smith, and today we're looking at the remarkable healing properties of bees' propolis. When buds appear on trees and plants in the spring, they're covered in resins to protect the young tissue from sun and weather damage. Bees collect these resins and mix them with their own secretions to form the gum-like propolis. And they use this to construct everything in the hive, as well as protecting the nest from other intruding insects and harmful ultraviolet radiation. But propolis, which is also known as bee glue, is not just a building material. It's used to keep low concentrations of bacteria and fungi in the hive. It's composed of a mixture of essential oils, pollen, and polyphenolic or antioxidant compounds. This includes flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which is thought to account for its healing properties. The Greek word propolis is said to have come from Aristotle back in the days of Alexander the Great. It means defender of the city because it protects the beehive from bacteria and infection. But propolis has also been used by people throughout history as a health tonic and to treat wounds and illnesses. It was used in ancient Egypt for its soothing and healing properties, and also to embalm the bodies of the pharaohs. It was also widely used during the time of the Roman Empire, when women used it to nurture their face and bodies, and Roman soldiers carried it to war to treat their wounds. Fortunately, there's been a lot of recent research leading to propolis being used again. This includes in dermatology, where it's used to help heal wounds and treat burns and ulcers. Polish scientists recently wrote about the research in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine. They conducted a study involving 56 patients with treatment-resistant venous, that's circulatory, leg ulcers. About 70% of all leg ulcers are venous, and ulcers are breaks in the layers of skin that fail to heal and may be accompanied by inflammation. The most common cause is poor circulation in the legs, and because leg ulcers are a symptom rather than a disease in their own right. This means they can reoccur and be difficult to treat, especially if the underlying causes are not addressed. Chronic foot and leg ulcers mainly affect the elderly. People with diabetes are at special risk of developing leg ulcers. Other causes include injuries, certain skin conditions, and vascular disease such as stroke, angina, and heart attack. Pregnancy, blood clots, and work which requires you to stand for long periods are also a cause. In this latest study, participants were randomly assigned one of two groups. In one group, they were treated with a topical propolis ointment in conjunction with stretch bandage compression. The second group was treated without propolis, using the typically prescribed Uniboot. That's a compression bandage impregnated with zinc oxide and/or calamine lotion and glycerine. In the propolis group, leg ulcers healed completely after 6 weeks of therapy in all cases. The leg ulcers in the control group also healed, but the process took up to 16 weeks. Propolis has been shown to stimulate various enzyme systems, cell metabolism, circulation, and collagen formation. The researchers concluded the propolis skin cream appears to have a beneficial effect on burn wounds, inflammation of the skin, and other skin lesions. According to the study, it can also be concluded that propolis skin ointment appears to have beneficial effect on healing venous ulcers. Should you or someone you know be using this? Knowledge about the benefits of propolis has certainly been there for a very long time, and there's more and more studies which prove it really works. But as with any alternative therapy, you should always consult a qualified medical practitioner first, and you can tell them about propolis, which can make a real difference to you and other people they're treating. I've prepared some more information you can look at and print out at news-guru.com/propolis. Spread the word and don't forget to like and tell other people about this video. Thanks for watching News Guru, and here's that link again.